Hello everyone. Today we are looking into LeetCode Problem 1004, that is maximum depth of binary tree. So here we are given a binary tree and we need to find what is the maximum depth. We know that each node can be like all the nodes which are in a same uh, let's say the three. We can see the top root node is a level 1 and 9 and 20, these two are into level 2, and 15 and 7, this is into level 3. Here we can also define this problem as we need to find what is the maximum, what is the maximum level. Also not only the depth, we can also say that it is a maximum level. We need to find what is the maximum level we can reach in this binary tree. So if you can see, we have level 3, that means 3 is in level 1, 20 is in level 2, and 7 is in level 3. So both 7 and 15 are in level 3, that means maximum depth we can reach here is 3. When we go to example 2, here we didn't provide it with the tree, but we can see here we have 1 and null, that means we don't have any value, and that means we don't have any value, and here null. Making it a, I'm just representing with these two dashes, and to the right side we have 2. That means we have this level is nothing but first level 1, and this one is level 2. So the maximum level is nothing but, maximum depth is nothing but 2. So we can solve this issue by using recursion. Let's see how can we do it. So so first I'm writing down the base condition, that is if root is equals to null, then that means we don't have any levels. And let's say at that point I can say the maximum depth is 0. If it is not the condition, then I'm going to call helper method, in which I'm going to pass TreeNode, the root node, and 1. Why I'm passing 1 is, here 1 is nothing but the level. So let me first define the function. Okay, so 1 is nothing but the level. That means if root is not equal to null, then only we are getting out of this loop, right? So that I can say that we can say that the particular root can have is having level 1. Okay, so I'm passing this one, and I am taking one global parameter, that is depth. First I'm initializing it with 0, and I'm going to return that same thing at the end of the after completing this helper method. Helper method is a recursive function here. So what we're going to do is, if root is not equals to null, and if root dot left is not equals to null, or root dot right is not equals to null. Okay, if any one of the value, that means if the root node is having any one of the either left or right value, then we can say that our level got upgraded. Okay, that means I can call my helper method with root dot left or root dot right, and I can say that level is upgraded, and same with root dot right. So I'm just incrementing the level. So when I'm, so here I can say I'm incrementing the level, but I need to update the depth rates. So that's what I'm going to return at that. So each time I am calling this method, I need to update the depth. So here I'm using math.max. I'm just comparing depth and level. That's it. Okay, so let's run it. Yes, the base cases are fine. Let's try to submit it. Yes, it's the best solution. It's based 100%. So the key thing that we need to remember here is, so when we are going to check for depth of the binary tree, we need to check. We can follow a recursive method. If we are willing to follow the recursive method, then we need to call this both left and right into the recursive function, and we need to upgrade the level each time. The similar kind of thing we have followed in our previous issue. So where we need to return a dictionary of the binary tree in a levels. So in that issue also we have followed a similar kind of, but not the same. So that's it about this issue. So thank you.